The Prime Minister Robinah Nabbanja has opened the East African Regional Engagement on Biosafety and Environmental Regulation, advancing trans-border dialogue on research, regulation and appreciation of genetically modified mosquitoes for malaria control and elimination.
This meeting has brought people from multiple countries: Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Sierra Leone, Ghana, Nigeria, USA and Burkina Faso, to help discuss and come up with a framework and also understand the results coming from the research they are dealing to modify malaria.
On transboundary biosafety issues should come out clearly from out of this meeting, how we are going to strengthen this regional awareness, especially on the biosafety issues across the border. We'd like to see a shared advances in biotechnology and also regional practices. We also like to learn, especially in West Africa, where I've done integrated vector management platforms.
The Prime Minister, Robinah Nabbanja, said government will advance responsible biotechnology through the National Biosafety Framework.
We are working on a district biosafety law to help us move forward steadily. I repeat, we are localizing at least up to the district level. And we recognize that biosafety is not just a national priority, but a regional imperative. No country can manage transboundary risks in isolation. We can't do this alone.
She urged African countries to align policies that match with the new technologies.
We must act collectively to align policies, strengthen oversight, and build public confidence in new technologies. Allow me to sincerely thank AUDA, NEPAD, for its steadfast leadership in fostering regional dialogue and supporting member states through the Africa Integrated Vector Management Program. Your commitment to innovation, governance, and capacity building is helping shape a safer and more resilient continent.
On this trajectory, we hope that we'll continue building on the efforts that have been there before, so that we work to create a safe and clean path forward through establishing a strong science-based regulatory foundation to ensure that the genetically modified mosquitoes are developed and used safely.
The Deputy Chairperson on the Health Committee of Parliament, Dr. Opio Samuel, noted that as members of Parliament will support its plans of setting up the district biosafety law to protect the ecosystem.
So that is why we need to go at the local level to see how best do we ensure that the frameworks are strong enough, and that is why this dialogue is very, very key. We must reach that point whereby we don't just say, right now the big concern is how do I prevent it moving from Kenya to Uganda or across East Africa? But now the bigger question we are saying, even moving between two districts.
Thank you, Right Honorable Prime Minister, and on behalf of the